Um, okay. Please don't pop up nothing crazy. Not bad. Okay. Alright, y'all. Hold on 1 second. I just want to have some of this off with it. Alright, like that. Okay, cool. Alright, moving company. If you guys want to start a moving company, I'm gonna give you guys a step by step, guys. I currently make this past month with my moving company. I made $30,000 this month. It's not even summertime, didn't even arise yet. It's still spring, which is good. Good news. Okay, but first things first, you guys. Starting off, I say go work for a moving company. I mean, this is not a recommendation. I mean, this is just a recommendation. Go work for a moving company for maybe even a couple months. You guys could do this in a couple months. Go learn the skill. Go learn how to pack a truck. Go learn how to treat customers, how to talk to customers, what goes on, prices. You gotta ask the customers, how much did you charge for this move? I mean, I don't think they'll mind if you're just an employee and just tell them, I'm trying to start my own moving company. Just how much do they charge you? I want to just know so I can have a price sheet, set out or something like that. But guys, it's easy, you guys. So first thing first, you guys. Hold on, you guys want to see our reviews too? We can check out the reviews. Oh, as you can see, 139 Google reviews, 5 stars. This is a big part of why we're so good, though. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. You guys can't do that. You guys want to be, ready. All right. So first thing first, you guys need things like LLC, insurance, LLC, and then you guys need like some marketing to bring jobs in. That's all you need first, guys. You don't need a truck. You can use U-Hauls. You can rent Penske's. You guys don't need a truck right now. You guys don't need. Oh, you need some equipment. Oh yeah, that's horrible. Don't mind me. I'm not the best speller. I'll keep it real. All right, for LLC, insurance, marketing, equipment. All right, this will allow. Now you're able. All right, and then the license, the New York State. For mine, I'll put the New York State DOT. This will allow you to operate full on, where you could get the truck, and you can do full loads, unloads with a truck. You using a truck, but if you guys don't want to start with all this, I advise you guys just to get the LLC, and then you guys could go into what you call it, labor only. You guys can go into labor only. You can avoid this DOT, so you can avoid this cost right here. So you can avoid some of this cost. You'll need still some items, but you can avoid some of this. Marketing, you'll need that. You can go hop on, like, go to U-Haul, go tell somebody to help you get on Movers Help. Find pictures. You guys could even, if you guys don't got no work, honestly, guys, you guys could glitch, bro. Picture off Google. Truckload. Boom, this, that, boom. Truck, we can move, we do this. Look, truckload, get a picture off Google, load in a truck, get some stock images of people. Just start building your website with stock stuff first. So your first couple jobs, now you want to start taking some of that money and invest and also keeping it so you can pay for more trucks. And then you want to start, now that you have some money coming in, you want to go get like some merch and things like that, like a couple shirts. You want to start branding this. You don't really need the merch and stuff like that so far yet, because you're just in labor only. You just pull up. You guys, they don't mind. They just want help. You guys, they don't really mind how you look. But the better you look, the more like, oh, they're serious. This is real. This is brand. Like, this is, I can pay this price for that. I don't gotta ask them for a discount. Like, this is real. They charge their price for a reason. This is a company. So this is the first thing you need, you guys. Once you get all of this, guys, I need you guys. Oh, and first. And then on this level, I want you to create social medias and post on it, like your logos. Start posting your logos, whatever you have, pictures. Go look up moving videos on Google, funny videos. You repost them. Just start posting, building your brand, building your name, getting you out there on Google and things like that. All right. So once you got all that going, you're doing all that, and you got on a couple third-party sites like Angie's or Movers Help. Hire helper, and once you get on like a third party site, you guys should be all good for the next step. third-party site. Now you guys could head and get, I mean, I could add this to here now though. Website and domain. So now you guys are ready for the big stage. Now you guys want to, you know, start marketing. You should be having some jobs come in. So just reinvest that money. Just buy more blankets, buy more dollies. Now you guys should have some capital to come in. So, and yeah, guys, before you guys get these insurances anyway, this is like a legal, fully on company. Before you get these insurances, guys, you guys are gonna have to start as labor only. Just do labor only. You know, get contracted by people. Do labor only. That way you can avoid this. You won't need this. You really don't need this because you're gonna be going from this will help you though. It's free marketing. You're gonna be on a third party site, pulling your leads from the third party site, starting off. Labor only, so you can avoid the DOT. You don't need that. You don't need a license. You don't need the marketing right now. The third party is doing it. The insurance you don't need right now because you're just you need like general liability, but you're not driving the truck. You're not really accountable of nothing but the person's items, but they're still accountable because you're just doing labor only. It's just helping. All right, so second, once we got all this, guys, now we can start figuring out how to really deeply market. Like for example, Zillow, like sending things out to, you know, crib houses for sale, and then, you know, now you can on your social medias, now social ad budget, you could add that. Now you're running ads on your social media, so now it's not just all organic. Now you can pay. You can actually, you know, have the algorithm will just automatically mark you to clientele. You want to probably target like older people, like an older crowd, or like a college kind of area, and then, you know, sometimes like a younger couple after college kind of. That's where you get most of the moves. So second, you want to do social. Then you're gonna have your social, so you're gonna be pulling in from Zillow, and then guys, another tip I do. This is a tip I do. Look up other movers on Google. See what they're on. See where they're pulling leads from. If they're on something, trust me, if they're on something like Yelp, they're pulling leads from Yelp. Like, not all the time, but look up other movers on Google. But the biggest one, guys, besides you know referrals is a way you're gonna start getting referrals from people of jobs you did if you did good. Well, you should do good. Go in there with respect. I'm telling you guys, respect. Do anything. Go the extra mile. Be that company. I'm telling you. So we got the marketing. Google SEO. That's key. This is one of your biggest income streams right here. Well, it is the biggest actually. Google SEO. So you guys want to start learning how to run some Google ads. Run some Google ads. Once you got everything like this, make sure you have all this though first. You guys literally need everything. But first, before you guys are running Google ads, you can do labor only Google ads. So just labor only until you get insurances and you have money for all the in New York State DOT. You're operating as labor only. Labor only. Okay? Alrighty. So Google, once you're doing that now, you did your labor only, you ran up some money, you got all your insurances, you got the DOT, now you're on Google with it. So now this is where you're just seeing what sites are not working no more, because you know we're always going through changes. We're always going to be changing. We're always going to be, marketing things change. You know, it goes from phone books to Google to this and to that. So basically, you guys, what was I about to say? Shit, I lost track. So basically, you guys want to get on shit like this, Google next door, Yelp, this is everything I'm on. And I'm still learning, guys. I'm just learning as we go, you know. Another good thing to do is always look up movers near me. If I look this up, I should pop up. All right, see you. Look. All right, yeah, I see why I haven't been receiving no calls. So, see, guys, I'll come out here. I'll see this. I'll see I'm like far at the bottom. I'm very far down. So now I'll just come out ad budget up. You know, I'll be up there. I'll be up there. But usually I do pop up first, probably because they know it's my account. But I do pop up a lot. They do see me. Trust me when they look this up. Okay, so that's that. Let's go to my website actually. And then guys, you guys could do this with just one person. You guys can just make life-changing money. See me and my partner right here. Where is he? Me and him. Look, I ain't have no haircut. This is the grinding, bro. This is build up, bro. This is like literally build up from the bottom, guys. This is one of our first pictures right here. I remember it. First uniforms and stuff. And then we just was taking pictures of every job, you know, rapping, making sure the customers is happy, you know, getting these little customer things. Then we start taking pictures of our high class jobs, you know. If they see you can handle things like these, they're like, wow, you know. Crews, and we got like the nice reviews. Estimate was exceeded implementation from Syracuse to packing. Boom, 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 boom. Showing pictures of us rapping everything. They're like, wow, that looks amazing. Let's do it. You know. You see, and this is the game, guys. Pictures, these pictures. Like, look how look at us. Then we have, you know, the insured. This is capital. Yes, coming. They want to see this stuff, guys. Like, they want to see this stuff. But reviews, collect reviews, guys. Always collect reviews. Start having your family leaving you reviews and stuff. I'm telling you guys, start collecting reviews. But that's really it, guys. I think we really, once you get all that going, once you work for another move, you get the experience, you learn how to pack trucks. And then you go here. Once you get your Google SEO, guys, I'm not gonna lie. From there, you should be able to take it to on your own. You guys should be getting a lot of jobs, a ton of income, and just reinvest your money back into your business, guys, if you want to grow it. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm trying to see. Okay, so you guys are gonna get that boom, 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 LLC. You're gonna work. Well, first you're gonna work for another moving company. You're gonna get the scale. Then you're gonna get on it. You want to get on the third. So actually, when we first started off, we went to the third party first. We got on Angie's ads first before anything else. We got the money in from Angie ads, and then first we went LLC, then insurance, and then like marketing, and then the equipment, and then DOT, and then like we're getting a ton of equipment from the load and unload labor jobs, because due to people on a long distance job, they come in from like a long distance, they already have blankets on all their shit. So we'll literally ask them where we want to start our own company. Like I remember we were working for another moving company as well, and we're like, we want to start our own moving company. You mind if we have these blankets? And they're like, yeah, they don't mind. They love that for us, and you know. You might get a number swap. They might want you to come. They might like, you know. So once you do that, you know, you're good. You're on Google. You have everything. Reviews. Now it's just all about clientele, guys. You guys gotta, you know, just treat these customers right and keep going every year. Keep going for about a couple years. Build up your reviews. Build up your clientele. And you should be good, guys. You guys should have like after this, you should plant enough seeds for where your phone will always ring. But yeah, guys, it's that simple. Moving company is that simple, y'all. I'm telling y'all, bro, that shit not nothing too crazy, y'all. It's not. But man, anyways though, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, bro. Y'all love K. I'm signing out. Hope y'all have a good day, man. Let's go. Wait, not y'all love K. This is Katron Financial. Cause I want to help you, bro. I was doing some reacting shit at first, but it's like, I ain't helping nobody. This shit felt fake. Like, you know, I don't wanna listen. Like, I'm reacting to this music, and I'm like, you know, I want to help people, bro. So that's what I'm here for. These are the first. I'm teaching trading and moving. This is something I actually made, like, you know, a big bag from. Like no cap. No cap. Like, so I'm gonna teach it, y'all. And I'm real. I don't want to be like these other YouTube gurus. Where these people, they're just out here chatting, lying, you know, they didn't really do it. Like, some people are teaching. That's why I stopped. If you look at my videos, I just posted my last Forex video just now. I said I'm gonna stop until I get my first payout. Who am I to be out there and teach y'all and I'm not even gonna pay out? Don't listen to these gurus, y'all. Actually wait until I got a payout like a normal citizen, man. And we're going crazy, man. Let's go. Moving. Yo, if y'all need any help, DM me. My Instagram is Katron Business. Give me a follow, DM me. And then we're gonna go crazy. Let's go.